trying to tell you, boy, they don't want to see me on that court, boy. They don't want to see me on that court, boy. You hear me? Yeah.
Nigga, you don't even know how to play ball.
Who? Shit, boy, you must ain't seen my handles, boy. I'm trying to tell you, boy, look, you down, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Wait, do that move again?
Huh? Yeah, nigga. Yeah, guess what that called?
A dumbass glitch?
Man, shut up, man.
Nah, you shut up.
You shut up.
Nah,
You shut up. You shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut
Yeah,
up.
Shut up.
Somebody at the door? Answer that.
What? What?
Shut up.
Nah, you shut up.
Alright,
Don't
boy.
tell me to shut up. You shut up.
Your shit.
Shut up.
Wait till mama leave. I'ma knock the fire at your motherfucking ass.
What's that? Mind if I come in? What you need? I have a few words to say to y'all. Oh, hell. Well, come on in then, man. What's up? So, man, what's the problem, man?
Oh, well, I just want to start off by letting you know that I am Gregory, okay? And I live below y'all.
Oh, yeah, we know you. First floor.
Yep. First floor. Yiggity yep.
Yeah, we know you.
Well, I was just wanting to let y'all know about y'all smoke detector. Can y'all please change your smoke detector, okay?
The smoke detector.
Because I hear it all the time, below me and in y'all videos. I watch y'all videos, yeah, y'all are funny, ha ha ha. But the damn smoke detector, it got to be changed. It's only a 12V battery, it's cheap. What's taking y'all so long to buy it?
We barely even hear that. It don't bother us. On babies in the limb, they ain't never bothered us.
Jeez Louise, y'all must have a lot of wax in y'all ears.
Shoot, we be asleep. We'll watch a horror movie in the quiet and all that. We barely even hear the smoke detector.
Okay, people, please, look. Okay, look, hey. Look, will y'all please, will you change your goddamn smoke detector, okay?
Hey, fool. Hey, don't be raising your voice up in here, man.
I swear, bro.
Make me throw this damn remote controller on your ass, man. Don't be doing that shit up in here. We don't do that.
Ain't the man. Look at his swag.
What the fuck?
Hey, man, why you got them big ass shoes on, though?
Man, look at his swag, though, man. That's something that we didn't see. For real. How the hell I didn't see that? If I would have seen that before I let him in, I would have slammed the door in his fucking nose. Look at that.
Your mama bought you the wrong side.
This right here is my swag. All the nerds are on me. Jinkies. Everybody pays attention. This right here. Hey! I done had enough of you fucking shit fuck! Hey, fool!
Damn!
I was trying to be real respectful here, but now it's time to get real disrespectful.
You mad, eh?
Now what I'm gonna do in front of you fuckers is go up in there, change them goddamn batteries and them goddamn smoke detectors, and there's not a damn thing y'all gonna do about it. You fucking self-made punks.
Mama!
Either way, I don't give a rat's ass. I'm going to change that damn smoke detector.
Alright.
Okay, go ahead. Tattleteller's gonna tell on their mom. Oh shit! So you're the mom I see on the videos, huh? Scary, huh? Demonic. Ooh, okay. Well, look, ma'am. I'm going to change damn
you
smoke
talking to?
detector, and y'all act like y'all don't fucking hear it. Yeah. So what I'm gonna fucking do is change that damn smoke detector because it's getting on my damn nerves. And there's not a goddamn thing you're gonna do about it. You hear me, ma'am? Sir?
That boy braid in the mug, ain't it?
Wow. Feel like I'm wearing the big ass drawers and pants in here. Huh? Yep. Now it's time to get straight to it, shall we?
Hey, don't look at me. He the one who let him in. Mama, it happened too fast. You know what I'm saying? You know how
You fucking snitch.
Mama, you know, I was just trying to let you know.
Hey, make sure y'all press the big like button on my Facebook comedy page. Press that following button and press over there where it say see first so you'll make sure you'll see every new video on your new feed. Oh, and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram for reals. Fuck